heading into a photo meetup that isn't mine. This is crazy. Here we go. Alright guys, so doing something that I don't get to do very often. I'm heading into a photo meetup that is not mine, that I am not personally hosting. It's been a while since I've been able to do that. I'm headed to Portrait Slam. They are here in Folsom at an awesome location that they have reserved. It's going to be really cool for me to just go to a different photo meetup, kind of learn from what they do. This is my second time going to one of their events. They do things differently than me, so it'll be good to kind of pick up on some things that they do, learn some stuff that I can bring back to my community, but also just have fun. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of take you guys behind the scenes to a portrait slam, and it should be really fun. So here we go, let's get it. So this is really cool, man. It's nice to not be running things and just kind of hanging out, soaking the vibes, getting some shots. I did get to try the Fuji X-T5. Shout out to Fuji. They have some really cool sponsorships, which I'm so jealous of. They've been able to get awesome sponsors to their events. But yeah, this event's really cool. Like I said, it's run a little different than I do things, which is really cool because I get to see a different way to do things. I can learn from what they do, kind of take some things and add it to my community as well. But yeah, really cool. The space is incredible as well. Shout out to Portrait Slam, man. Thanks for having me. And yeah, this is fun. I'm gonna keep shooting, having some more fun. So here we go. that is a wrap for Portrait Slam. Super dope event. Big shout out to them for hosting me. Shout out to Travis and Courtney. It was really cool, man. It's always a pleasure to go to one of their events. They do an awesome job. Like I said, they do some things differently than me, but I love it, man. I love it. I love their approach. I love how they group people together. I don't know if I captured that well enough, but they kind of put people in groups and in pairs early on in the event. I think that's really cool. They really stress sharing images, sending images, making sure everyone knows who they're shooting with, who they're working with. So they do a great job of that. Those are some things that I really want to incorporate in what we do. But beautiful space too as well, man. Great choice on the space, guys. Shout out to everybody else out there that let me get some behind the scenes over their shoulder. I did get to try the Fuji X-T5, I think it was. Solid camera. That was really cool to be able to switch it up and do something different in that way as well. But overall, a ton of fun, man. Shout out to Portrait Slam. If you see them, they travel around, so they're, I think, mostly on the West Coast, but I think they do get out to the Midwest and the East Coast sometimes. So definitely check them out. They do awesome events all over the place. So that'll do it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more fun content coming very soon. Like I said, there's some things that I'll take back to my community, Good Inc. as well. But always fun. Good to get a video done too, man. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.